Today's cruise guest is more aware than ever that a happy life is the result of a healthy balance of activity and nutrition. At MSC Cruises, the well-being of our guests is extremely important to us. So much so that we have created an entire category and pricing experience dedicated to wellness. With the help of leading experts in the health and nutrition fields, we've designed a comprehensive wellness program that truly focuses on the benefits of a balanced lifestyle. We believe that there is no better way to focus on a healthy lifestyle program than on a cruise with fresh air and no distractions. No longer satisfied with just lounging by the pool and killing time, not that there's anything wrong with that. Today's fitness-minded cruise guests are looking to maintain the healthy lifestyle routines they've worked so hard at, even when they're on vacation. We've taken our commitment to a higher level, offering a range of features that are unique to the travel industry. Wellness guests receive a full pre-cruise assessment. We'll help them set goals and determine their individual physical activity level. Under a doctor's supervision, assessments conducted will include blood pressure, EKG, and blood lipid panel. Powered by MSC's partnership with Technogym, guests can monitor and track their progress with our state-of-the-art fitness equipment and MSC's smartphone app throughout their cruise. We have also created a convenient wellness environment to encourage and support their wellness efforts. Guests will have in-room fitness equipment, a minibar stocked with sports drinks and nutritional snacks, complimentary workout clothes and towels, and free laundry service for their workout gear. Wellness plans start with a balanced meal, a low-fat, high-energy breakfast, and an energy corner in the buffet. MSC Cruises onboard kitchens are home to some of the world's leading experts on healthy, gluten-free dining. MSC can also satisfy any special dietary requirements you may have. MSC's fleet of ultra-modern ships have an extensive variety of exercise options on board. As part of our wellness experience, guests have access to a fully integrated Technogym fitness center with elliptical machines, treadmills, and cycling bikes. Some of the most exciting and popular onboard activities are the aqua cycling classes by Hydro Rider, but there are also the more traditional sports areas as well, including tennis, soccer, and volleyball. Enjoy a jog around the entire ship on our jogging track, where the panoramic views are incredible. But whether you are inside or outside, the sense of air, light, and sky promote a healthy mind-body experience. And the wellness experience doesn't stop upon arrival to port. Through the program, we'll custom tailor their excursions to their personal activity profile. So in addition to the wide variety of physically active excursions like ziplining, snorkeling, kayaking, and swimming with the dolphins, we offer Zumba on the beach, high-exertion bike tours, and hiking trips to many sightseeing and tourist locations. These excursions are specifically designed for groups signed up for the wellness experience. Even during the onshore excursions, our guests will be monitoring and tracking their activity through the MSC Technogym program. And when they need a break from all the physical activity, they'll wind down with a truly authentic MSC Aria Spa experience. A sweet treat of pampering, rest, and relaxation. All the MSC treatment rooms have breathtaking floor-to-ceiling ocean views. Our guests can choose from over 20 different exotic, rejuvenating massage packages and take advantage of our anti-aging facial treatments. No matter what their physical capabilities are, MSC Cruises will tailor a fitness program to fit their needs. And they'll go home feeling fit with a fresh, healthy outlook on life.
For some rare people, excellence is a vocation. Focusing on every detail, they exceed all expectations. Prepare to experience the exceptional. Welcome to MSC Yacht Club. Your voyage into the exceptional has begun. A voyage where you are pampered by a unique butler service, cruising in an exclusive ship within a ship. On MSC's ultra-modern flagships, acclaimed as among the most beautiful in the world. Everything about the separate MSC Yacht Club is in a class of its own, displaying impeccable taste, attention to detail and comfort. Our butlers and concierge reception provide a full range of attentive services here at all times. Each spacious suite is a paradise of Italian designer style and comfort. With complete entertainment systems and complimentary refreshments, you'll be pampered in a sumptuous home from home. MSC Yacht Club is an oasis of peace and refinement. And with every one of its superb private amenities just minutes from your suite, you'll enjoy a cruise that's relaxed like no other. The one sun deck offers rare privacy, allowing you to lounge in luxury undisturbed. Complimentary light dining, drinks and refreshments are available all day for unforgettable moments of pure pleasure. As an MSC Yacht Club member, you enjoy direct private lift access to the award-winning wellness and beauty treatments of MSC Aurea Spa. The panoramic topsail lounge offers lavish complimentary services in an exceptional private club ambiance, so you can make every moment special. Everything at MSC Yacht Club revolves around you, including your excursions, which you can design yourself, tailoring your cruise to your dreams. Our butlers serve you beyond MSC Yacht Club with a dedication that knows no limits. Gourmet pleasures are an integral part of the yacht club experience. And with no fixed seating times, you dine as and when you please. Served knowledgeably from a constantly changing Mediterranean menu, every meal can be a voyage of discovery. With MSC Yacht Club, there's so much more to explore, with full and privileged access to our floating city flagships. Every moment offers a fresh experience for memories that last a lifetime. All this and more is the world of MSC Yacht Club. A world you can only truly appreciate in the experience. Because MSC Yacht Club revolves around you.